हाँ जी दोस्तों, आज का वीडियो होने वाला है अपाची स्पार्क के ऊपर। हम आज के वीडियो में ये जानने वाले हैं कि अपाची स्पार्क को कैसे इंस्टॉल किया जाता है विंडो 10 और 11 में। तो आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। हाँ जी दोस्तों, स्पार्क के लिए सबसे पहले हमारे सिस्टम में जावा का इंस्टॉल होना ज़रूरी है। तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे जावा को डाउनलोड करेंगे। जावा के आजकल 27 वर्जन हो चुके हैं, बट हम आज जो इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ होता है वो वर्जन 8 यूज़ होता है। तो जावा आर्काइव में जाएंगे। जावा आर्काइव पे क्लिक करने के बाद हमारे पास यहाँ पे जावा एसई आ जाएगा। जावा एसई में हमें वो वर्जन 8 चाहिए, तो वर्जन 8 पे क्लिक करेंगे। लेटेस्ट वर्जन है इंडो का 8 का। देन वी हैव टू गो स्क्रॉल डाउन। देन हमको विंडो 86 इंस्टॉलर यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे और ये हमारा जावा डाउनलोड हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे हमारा जावा वर्जन 8 डाउनलोड हो रहा है। जावा डाउनलोड होने के बाद प्लीज़ इसको इंस्टॉल कर लीजिएगा। मेरे कम लैपटॉप में ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल है, तो मैं आपको इंस्टॉल करके नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ दोबारा से, पर आप इंस्टॉल कर लीजिएगा।
Our next step is to download the Apache Spark package. First, we have to search in the Google Chrome Spark download. Then, on the first, have to click the first website, and then we have to choose the version. Now we are choosing the I think 3.2, make 3.1. Okay, fine. And then we have to choose the pre-built Apache Hadoop package type 2.7. Then just click on the download button. If you want to change any version, so you can simply go to the archive release, Spark archive release. So you will find all the previous version and you can download it from there. Okay, now I'm downloading the Spark 3.31 version. Just click on this and just click on this link, and your file is start downloading. Here your file is start downloading. On the other hand, we have also need to install the Hadoop package. So we have to navigate to the GitHub link, and this link will be provided in the description box, so you can check over there. Now we are using the Hadoop 2.7, and we have to click on the 2.7. Then we have to click on the Win, and then scroll down. We need just only the Winutils and Winutils.exe. Then click on this and download that button. Same. Yeah. Okay. Now we have downloaded all this.
After installing the Winutils and the Spark 3.31 version, we just need to extract all the files from this here. Just go and extract from here. Okay. Then just go to the window explorer. Okay, then go to the local C drive, then create a folder new with the name big data, and after click there, then create another new folder with the name Spark. Okay, after getting the Spark, then go down, and all the files are extracted here. Then click on it, then copy all the files from here, Control C, and paste where we have created the new folders, big data and Spark, and paste here. Okay, let us wait. Okay, the copies are done. Then go to the bin folder and then copy that Winutils file. Then copy the Winutils file, then paste in the bin folder. Like we have the bin folder here, then paste here. The other Winutils files also paste here. Then we just to need set up our environment variable. Then search for the environment variable open this up. Why? And go to the environment variable and create the new and use the spark spark_home and then browse the directory, this PC, then go to C drive, then we've created the folder with the name big data, then we have to go to the spark, then click on OK, and then copy this path as well and click on OK. Now we have created this one, that we have to create the Hadoop path as well. The Hadoop path and our both the path are same. Then Hadoop_home and then tab and copy paste, then click on the OK. And now we have to update our path as well. Go to the path, create the new, use this bin. Now then we have also go use the bin folder here, then we have to go to this and bin. Oh sorry, its caps lock is on, it's bin. Then click on OK, OK and OK. Now refresh the file, and now to check whether our Spark is installed successfully or not, go to the CMD, then write Spark shell, then click on the enter. Yeah, we just need to wait. Setting default lookup to 1 to adjust the logging setting for the Spark, which is 1. The code is running. It will take some time. It will take a lot of the time right now. Yeah. So as you can see guys, the Spark is running perfectly. So we have successfully installed the Spark in our Windows 10. Thank you for watching the video.